Did she just use a Sharpie on her lips? TikTok calls it the genius lip hack of the year, but dermatologists? They're calling it a nightmare. It's trending, it's tempting, and it's just $1. But what if this so-called beauty hack could actually harm your health? In today's video, we're exposing the truth behind the viral Sharpie lip liner hack. Is it a budget beauty breakthrough or dangerously toxic? Stay to the end, because the last thing we reveal might just change your makeup routine forever. Spoiler, this isn't Crayola, it's your face. It all started with one viral video. A beauty creator outlined her lips with a black Sharpie, and millions followed. They say it lasts through food, drinks, even kissing. But here's the thing, Sharpies weren't made for lips, or even skin. Not all Sharpies are created equal. Some formulas include xylene, a solvent used in industrial cleaners. Even non-toxic doesn't mean skin safe. Lips are highly absorbent, more than other areas of your skin. Chemicals in Sharpies can enter your bloodstream. One swipe may look fierce, but what's soaking into your lips? That's the real story no one's talking about. If you wouldn't drink from a bleach bottle, why would you color your lips with a marker? Dermatologists are sounding the alarm. And no, this isn't just being dramatic. FDA does not approve any markers for cosmetic use. Dr. Audrey Kunin says, "Your lips aren't a coloring book. Sharpies are not lip liners. A cheap liner is never worth a chemical burn." Let's talk about real results. One TikToker's lips turned blue for 3 days. Another, swollen and itchy within hours. They wanted Kylie lip, they got chemical lips. Here's the good news. You don't need to risk your health for high pigment. These 3 affordable lip liners slay the game safely. NYX Slim Lip Pencil, $4. Smooth, blendable, and long-lasting. ELF Love Triangle Lip Filler, $5. Dual edge for precision plus plump. ColourPop Lippy Pencil, $7. Clean formula, bold payoff, wide shade range. They're smudge-proof, pigment-rich, and lip-safe. No chemicals, no Sharpie regrets, just beauty on your terms. Real queens don't outline with office supplies. So what's the final verdict? Sharpie as lip liner? It's clever, sure, but it's dangerous. Your lips are worth more than a marker cap. Choose smarter, not sketchier. You can get the same bold beauty without risking your skin. If this trend shocked you, wait until you see the celebrity routines that are secretly scamming you. Tap the video on screen right now to uncover the truth behind Rihanna's $500 beauty routine and how you can get the same glow for under $25. I'll see you there.